shack out back where we're going to yak. Look at the flowers on this male. Look at that. There's some flowers for you. These are camellia, getting close to the end. She planted these. That lady over there is responsible for these, not me. I don't plant camellias. Where are you going to put that?
I'll put it in there.
Yeah, you should. Go for it. It's planting Mexican orange. Watch out for the sprinkler system. The pop up the head.
Yeah.
I think these ferns are looking good. It'll look way more jungly.
Remember the water. Make sure
Huh?
you get this all watered.
You got 2 Mexican orange, right?
Yeah, I did.
Cool. Okay. Are these blooming up here? Oh yeah, that one's got, okay, there's a male and there's a female. That's pretty cool, side by side. Right there, see that? Male palm, female palm. And this kiwi vine, we're going to get a lot of fruit on it this year. Tons of fruit. Tons of fruit. These are big vines. Fruits of the labor. All right, labor of love. Okay, into the shack. And let's just see if we can get some skip coming in and make some contacts out here on the Gulf Islands, North Pacific. I'm going to start with the Sigma Venom 5/8 wave right there. Go through the band on the 458. A couple of turkey vultures up there, big ones. And then if not, we're going to go to the beam antenna and we'll fish for a little South Pacific skip. Let's see what we can do. Here's the shack out back where we like to yak. Sounds pretty quiet to me. Man, it's dead. So dead. So now what we got to do is fish for some skip. Let's tune this baby in. And the burritos, we're doing burritos tonight. They're in the oven. Well, I got everything prepped, and then Wendy and Krista wrapped them all up, stuffed the burritos, and they're baking in the oven with cheese and baked refried beans. All right, think we're gonna get anybody? Let's try it. CQ, calling CQDX, calling CQ, 9 Alpha Tango 791. This is 9 Alpha Tango 791 on the Gulf Islands in the North Pacific. Be amazed if anybody comes back to me. It's dead. CQDX, CQDX, 9 Alpha Tango 791, 9 Alpha Tango 791, Gulf Islands in the North Pacific. I'm going to try 6 times. Then I'm going to shut her down. Calling CQ, calling CQDX, any South Pacific stations? Do you copy? 9 Alpha Tango 791, North Pacific, Gulf Islands. I got my antenna pointed out into the South Pacific. Calling CQ, calling CQDX, 9 Alpha Tango 791, 9 Alpha Tango 791, Gulf Islands in the North Pacific. QRZ. Dead quiet. 3S units of noise floor. CQ, calling CQDX, 9 Alpha Tango 791, North Pacific, Gulf Islands, trying. Gotta be some radio skip out there, huh? Hopefully. One more time. Oh, I've lost track of my counts. Maybe I'm up to 7. Calling CQ, calling CQDX. This is 9 Alpha Tango 791. 9 Alpha Tango 791 on the North Pacific Gulf Islands, QSX. I don't think we're going to hear anybody today. So dead. Oh, man. Solar activity screws up radio frequencies. So skip our long distance stations, DX, and nothing coming in. Let's go back out into the garden and show you what's going on out here, man. It's absolutely beautiful. So many things blooming. And I've got orchids blooming out there too. Look at these Schefflera, these umbrella trees. One there, there's one in here. We just got a whole mix mash of stuff in here. Nice canopy, really nice canopy of trees and foliage. It just looks really tropical in here. It does. And man, we're at 48 degrees north latitude, so if you choose the right plants, you can create a real jungle look, right? And then Wendy's planting a bunch more things out in the garden. Nice palm right there with some, it's a female, got last year. Oh shoot! I didn't mean to step on you, buddy. I just killed those two snails. They've been there all day, and I just stepped on them, my bad. I didn't mean to step on those snails. They were snails making love all day, and I stepped on them.
No.
I know. They were taking their time. It was like slow snail, whatever. Where are you going to put that one? Is it sunny enough in there? Well, that's
really rotting, eh?
No, you can lift it up. It's not a tree. You can lift it up. Doesn't that need sun or not?
What's that, Jill?
That plant, the Veronica. Wow, is this ever a nice camellia? Look at this one. It hangs down. Oh yeah, I just brought it up.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Give me that.
I'll get it. It's got a palm in with it too, a sable palm.
Okay.
Sorry for the long, boring video, but since there is no radio skip coming in, we're doing other things. We're gardening. We like to garden, so those are tree ferns. This one's got a blue sable minor in it, which is a dwarf palmetto. And good thing I'm with a girl that likes to garden.
Maybe.
There's the beam up there.
Oh, do you want to dig a hole
Here.
there?
Give me that.
Okay. There.
I'm going to show you up.
Right there?
Where's
or maybe over just
Where's the shovel?
It's right there. Maybe it's over more.
This way?
No, the other way. The other way. No.
Where?
No. Like here. Yeah.
Oh, there's lots of.
Yeah, quite rooted.
Oh yeah, there's probably kiwi roots in there.
Yeah.
Dry. I think that's kiwi roots. I have to soak it.
Yeah.
Well, ferns are pretty easy.
Okay, I'll let it sit like that. Yeah.
I have to get some water. Oh, what's in there? Oh shoot, there's the irrigation. Oh God, I hope I didn't bust it. Dang.
What kind of irrigation?
Our irrigation.
Well, you didn't hit it hard, did you? You didn't hit it hard.
I'm gonna have to turn it on and see. I might have broke it.
Which irrigation?
For this garden. Yeah.
Well, you know it'd be perfect.
I've been jabbing the pipe. I didn't know it was that low.
Yeah.
Dang. Can you turn on the irrigation? That's not good. I hope it doesn't leak. That would suck. I've been pounding that irrigation hose with the... That sucks. Dang. Okay, hang on. I'm going to find out right now. Just turned it on, but it's the wrong side. Wrong side. I hope that didn't break. Okay, turn that off. Okay, let's find out right now. Moment of truth. Did we break the irrigation? I'll have to get a piece for it tomorrow. Easy to fix. Didn't even know it was that deep. Not leaking, I don't think. Hang on. It is. Nope. Holy crikey. No, there's it's coming out there, but it's not leaking. Not leaking out of the pipe. Whew, thank God. Don't feel like fixing it, but nope, it's all good. I still gotta get water and pour it in this hole. Thanks for watching. Cheers. If I hear you out there, we'll talk to you when we get some skip coming in.